Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's another Wacky Wednesday, the fourth one in our series. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. In South Africa, we're hoping to hear that we're going to level 1 of the lockdown, which is the minimum restrictions. So hopefully travel will start up again and we can start getting our economy running. So today for my Wacky Wednesday pour, I thought I would try a straight pour but in a spiral shape. So what I've done is I've put my canvas onto my cake decorating contraption underneath, which will allow it to spin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour out from the middle as it's spinning like that, and we'll see what we're going to get. That's probably why this canvas appears a bit closer to you today, because it's actually raised about 6 inches off the table. Right, the colors we're using today. Start off with the gold, one of my favorites. Then we've got a nice deep navy blue. We've got a sort of lighter grey purple type color. Then we've got a lighter blue. And finally we have, of course, my favorite, the violet. So what I've done is I've actually layered these into a jug. And I've actually done it a different way today. I've done a quarter of it in from the one side, a quarter from this side, a quarter from this side, and a quarter from this side, which I think will probably mix up the colors a bit better. And today I've also added some acrylic gloss glaze to each of the paints. I'm not really sure what it's going to do. It's just an experiment, but I thought I'd give it a go and see what happens. Right, so let's get these things on the go. This may be quite difficult from a coordination point of view, trying to take it out slowly while spinning this thing, but I'm gonna give it a go. Right, let's go. Okay, there you go guys. Let us begin with the tilt and see how this comes out. And there you go. It is very interesting to say the least. I think because the funnel of that, well, the spout of that jug is so narrow, it gives a very fine, sort of thin pour. Maybe need to get something that's a little bit wider. Well, there's some nice details coming out here. I'm just going to give it a flame to pop the rest of the bubbles and see if we get any cell action. Might have used slightly too much paint. It still feels like there's quite a lot on the actual canvas, so I could probably stretch it a bit more if I needed to, but I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. I like the color combinations. I like that there's a little bit of white in here as well. It goes well with the navy blue, and yeah, generally quite happy with that. Very abstract, I would say, but yeah, I like it nonetheless. And there you have it, another Wacky Wednesday pour. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think this is probably going to develop for a few more minutes. We're already got some cells coming up here. So I'm sure that there will be some more as time goes by. Guys, I'm going on holiday on Friday for a week. So I'm going to try and do a pour tomorrow and then publish it next week. But yeah, I'll be back in 10 days time, going away with the family. We and some friends, which should be good. And going to take a break from the pouring and spend some more time on the beach. Hopefully there's some wind so I can kite surf as well. But until I see you next time, here's the close-up. Have a good one. Oh, almost forgot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. That always seems to slip my mind saying that. But it's one of the most important things. Love to get new subscribers. Love to share my art with everyone. Get ideas from watching everyone else's YouTube channels. So yeah, give me a follow. I'll follow you back. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. And I'll see you in a bit. Cheers.